Data Analytics, Power BI, and this will be about field parameters. So introduction. So in this video, you will understand all about field parameters feature in Power BI. Microsoft Power BI team released field parameters feature in May 2022 updates. Using this feature, you can dynamically change the column names and measure values in the visuals. You can enable this feature from Preview Feature option. So you click on File and then Option and Settings, and then under Option and Settings, Option, and then Preview and Features, and then check the Field Parameters option. So how do we change the column name dynamically? So change column name dynamically in the visual. So under the Modeling tab, click on the new parameter, then choose Fields. So Modeling tab, new parameter, and then Fields. Step 2, the parameters window will appear. Now choose the columns to whom you want to change dynamically. So in this case, you have chosen product, segment, year, and country. And then also we add a slicer to this page, and then we click on create. Now add one matrix visual and drag parameters in rows and add some values as in values section. So we have here the parameter and the rows, and then values, we have profit and sales for various. So we have profit and sales for various. So initially we have here the country. Step 4, now choose the column names from parameter slicer. As you can see below screenshot, columns are dynamically changing in the visuals based on selection. So here, for example, if you click on segment, so let's take a look at the other one first. So initially we have here country. So if you click on segment, so this will become segment. Click on country, this will become country, and then we click on year, so this will become year. So the column name is changing dynamically. You can also choose the multiple column names from slicer. See below screenshot. So we have chosen here country and segment. So we have country, and then we have here the segment. Then we can also change measure values dynamically. So change measure values dynamically in visuals. So first create two measures. So we have the total gross sale and total units sold. So total gross sale is equal to the sum of financial, that's the name of the data set, and then gross sales. Then total units sold is sum financials, then units sold. So go to the modeling tab, click on new parameter, and then choose field. So just like what we have done a while ago, add measures in the field parameter. So here are the measures. Then we have added the measures here. So these are the measures that we have created. Now drag parameters into values section. So parameters into the values section of the matrix, and add some columns into rows section. So for rows, we have year and country. So we have here the year and country. So year and country here. And we have here the two columns, which are the parameters. So choose 5, choose the menu from the slicer which you want to see in visuals. So from this, you can add two parameters separately, like one for columns and the other for measures. So one for columns and the other for measures. After that, add both parameter in rows and values section. So we have columns, so add data here, and rows, we also add data. To see below the given screenshot, so we have this one. So you can choose the column parameters, and you can also choose the measure parameters. So that ends this lecture. Thank you very much for viewing this video.